I'm glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to have a look at the top 4 Halloween based profitable Amazon KDP niches for the day. Now, if you're new here to the channel, we do daily videos featuring profitable Amazon KDP keywords, as well as sharing income streams, sharing strategies to make a passive income online, as well as monthly income reveals. So if you are interested in these kind of videos, subscribe to the channel, and in the description box below I have 2 free gifts for you. First of all, I have a 30-day free trial for a all access subscription to Creative Fabrica. Second of all, there is a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro subscription, which allows you to edit, create, format, and allow you also to download KDP covers and interiors as well for your Amazon KDP business. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day, and the first keyword for the day is Halloween horror coloring book for stress relaxation. And stress and horror, they don't go stress relaxation and horror, they don't go very well together, but we'll make it work. So this keyword has a beautiful keyword niche score of 40 by Self-Publishing Titans and a keyword niche score of 9 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Also, the total results are under 1,000, which is ideal, and the total results are 392. Second point is that the average bestseller rank is 573,547, and I know it's a little bit quite high when it comes to the bestseller rank. Usually we opt for anything around that 400,000 mark, but this one will be okay with it, and we'll also talk about some strategies you can do to cut down on the average bestseller rank and to get it, like, you know, to niche down that way. So we've got an average review of 45 and an average price of $7.26. Also, what I like is that the second main Chrome extension that we are relying on, Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, they gave us a number 9, the highest when it comes to the keyword niche score. So number 9 is pretty good when it comes to that. Halloween horror coloring book for stress relaxation is an amazing keyword. You could also cut down on the bestseller rank by niching down whether you want it to be for female, for male, whether you want it to be more for teenagers, whether you want it more for seniors as well, while still maintaining that horror theme of Halloween, but make it for stress relaxation. So include some patterns that really are curvy, include some detail orientated coloring sheets that really help to zone out and to help with stress relaxation and to help with reducing stress that way. So let's have a look also at the second keyword for the day. And by the way, you can get the KDP interiors on Creative Fabrica, and all you would need to do is search the keyword. Now, if nothing comes up because the keyword is very long tail, what we're going to do is just simply write Halloween coloring book and then remove that stress relaxation one, and you have dozens and dozens of, you know, Halloween coloring sheets as well. You can also filter by KDP interiors and coloring pages as well. Let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and the second keyword for the day is horror coloring book, scary and creepy cheapy Halloween adult, and has a keyword niche score of 33. Total results are under 1,000 and sitting at 191, and the average bestseller rank is around that 300,000 mark, and it is sitting at 362,695. The average reviews are 218, and the average price is $7.93. Everything's nice except for the keyword niche score on both ends, but why I chose to share it with you, because first of all, it is a long tail keyword, and also the results are nice when it comes to, apart from the keyword niche score, the results are nice. First of all, the total results are under 1,000, pretty low when it comes to that, and the bestseller rank is also quite low, around that 300,000 range, where we like it to be. Horror coloring book, scary and creepy chippy Halloween adult. You're creating an adult coloring book that has to do with Halloween, super scary, super creepy, and horror as well. You might also want to include some maybe fun facts about anything to do with like crime related stories, or, you know, anything to do with the Halloween tradition as well, just to engage the customer, adding that like extra creepy and scary and horrific element to it as well. And also make sure to like mark it as in 18 plus, because it is going to be super creepy and scary and horrific. So let's get started with the third keyword for the day, and the third keyword for the day is super duper mighty jumbo coloring book. Super duper mighty jumbo coloring book. I would expect that this is something for children. It is a coloring book, and you might want to add in some activity sheets as well. Preferably do it 8.5 times 11 inches. Quantity plays a big role when it comes to this keyword, because then again, using these, you know, kind of quantity based words, key words such as super, duper, mighty, jumbo, coloring book, engage the reader with whatever it is. You can also niche down. For example, for children, you can niche down according to whether you want it to be specific. And these were the 3 keywords in today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you in the next one.